Hi, I'm Margaret. Today's recipe features raspberries and white chocolate. This traditional combination works really well in a cake. And when this is made into a tray bake, it's quick and easy too. So let's get started. The first job is to cream the butter and sugar together. I've spent a little time and effort with this to make it really creamy before we start. And when you've got the correct consistency, the eggs need to go in one by one. This way they're easier to mix in. Again, I'm going to make sure that I mix these really well and get a lovely light consistency. There may well be bits of batter around the edge of the bowl that haven't quite been mixed in properly, so let's do that now. Then a good whiz with the electric mixer just to make sure. A little bit of flavour, and the electric mix goes away now. The rest of the ingredients need to be added gently as we fold in the flour and the baking powder. Round the sides and through the middle. Don't overmix. The flour needs to be just disappeared. Then in with the chocolate. About half of the chocolate chips we're using, and a light stir. So they're just mixed in. Now this baking tray is 8 by 10 inches, that's 20 by 27 centimetres, and I'm giving it a light buttering. Now we could put the mixture straight into there, but I like to line it with a little bit of baking paper so it's much easier to come out. So in with the batter. That will need spreading out so it reaches all the corners and it's nice and flat on top. I'm decorating it today with frozen raspberries and a few white chocolate chips as well. The lovely thing about this tray bake recipe is you can adapt it to any flavour you like. You can change the fruit, you can change the chocolate chips to milk or plain. You could add nuts or dried fruit. Completely up to you. I like to add lots and lots of white chocolate chips to this one. There, that should do. Now it just needs baking, cooling, and cutting into slices. There, perfect to share with a nice pot of tea. Thanks for joining me this week. It's always good to have you along. Have a good week and I'll catch you soon.